Lumalapit na ang pagbabalik eskwela ng maraming estudyante sa Canada. Naghahanda na rin ang mga pamilya sa back-to-school shopping. Pero ayon sa isang bagong survey, 8 sa bawat 10 mga magulang nakararanas ng stress sa back-to-school. Ang mga payo ng isang financial advisor para sa back-to-school shopping sa report na ito.
I think the stress is that it's the adjustment of coming back from the summer, enjoying the summer and things like that. And now you're coming back to harsh reality.
Nalalapit na ang balik eskwela ng maraming kabataan sa Canada. At ayon sa bagong survey ng grupong Protégé, 81% ng mga magulang sa bansa nag-aalala sa back-to-school shopping.
Especially if your kids are in sports, they're going to need new shoes, they're going to need new equipment and things like that. So I think that's where a lot of the bulk of the school back-to-school shopping comes to.
Si Joe Tablan ay magulang ng 2 teenager sa British Columbia. Isa rin siyang financial advisor. Aniya, importante para sa mga magulang at bata na magkaroon ng listahan o budget para sa kakailanganin nilang school supplies. At sa nasabing listahan, alamin kung ano ang prioridad sa paaralan at kung ano ang maaaring gawin extra.
Figure out what your budget is, first of all. I think that's the biggest thing. Most people don't even know what their budget is because they're just going to be looking at sales. Take a look at the priorities that you need for the school or back to school shopping and start there, because a lot of things you're going to find might not even be a priority. It's more of a want.
Mahalaga rin daw ang paghanap ng deals at discounts. Maaari raw makatulong ang pagtingin muna sa mga presyo ng mga bilihin online bago pumunta sa mga tindahan o shopping mall.
You can just, head on to Amazon or go to a dollar store or something like that, get the same things for a cheaper price. You're going to save a few bucks here and there.
Huwag daw kalimutan ang pagkakaroon ng budget at ang pagbili ng mga kinakailangang gamit sa loob ng nasabing budget. Isa rin daw itong magandang ehersisyo ng financial management para matuto ang mga bata.
So if they can get a good understanding of what it is that they need to do or learn from your parents, I think that's a great thing to have. And obviously having a conversation is always the first step.